Today we will be discussing organizational chart. What is an organizational chart? An organizational chart is a diagram that displays the structure and indicates the line of authority within that organization. Now there are features of the organizational charts which shows the division of labor force, who controls each part of the labor force, who has authority to give instruction to whom, each manager or employee is responsible, shows line of consultation, vertical line shows accountability, horizontal line shows span of control, where people align vertically from work in the same functional areas. People aligned horizontally work at the same level of authority and responsibility. The chain of command. This means that the right or authority to command, that is to show who is in charge, must be seen from the top to the bottom of the organization. The instructional flow. The instructional flow, as you notice on the chart displayed before, the downward along the chain of command and accountability flows upwards, also called scalar principle. The span of control is the number of subordinates that a manager or supervisor can directly control. Means that in organizing, management should ensure that the number of persons to be supervised by any one person is of manageable size to facilitate effectiveness of supervision. This number varies with the type of work. Type of organization chart. First, we have the T-chart. The T-chart is the lines on the chart somewhat resemble a series of capital T's. Alternative names are management tree and tree structure, which enables line of direct responsibility to be laid out graphically so that features like flatness, tallness, span of control are immediately apparent. The chart tends to get more complex as branches subdivided and it rapidly outgrows a single sheet of paper. It rarely, if ever, shows the link and interpersonal relationship that are so important in an organization. Here you have the functional organization chart. Concentric pyramid and cover leaf charts. Pyramid chart shows the hierarchical structure or authority levels but omits functional areas. Clover leaf is based on a system approach. Each manager has integrated functions and responsibilities, operating a holistic framework towards one common goal. The matrix structure. This can be attempt to use the resources within the organization in different ways. Although workers may be organized according to hierarchy and function within the company, the work itself is organized across organization projects that involve staff according to what they can contribute rather than where they appear in the organizational chart. Here on the left, you will see that will be the simple line organization chart, which consists of the manager, supervisor, and the clerk. You have the complex organizational chart, which has the manager, supervisor, and the clerk. Functional organizational chart. This arranged by its function. For example, there is a manager in charge of marketing and another in charge of production. He has an advantage over the line as experts are appointed to run each department. All managers report to the general manager combines the straight line of command of the line organization with horizontal dotted diagonal lines representing functional authority. The dotted diagonal line in the figure above shows the authority that a human resource manager has over other departments. The human resource manager allowed authority in this department over human resource matter. Only example to hire and fire workers. He therefore cannot give directives on production or marketing matters. The line or direct. This chart depicts a straight line of command authority said to flow downwards only in line organization. The line organization structure is found in schools or in the military. Thank you for your undivided attention.